My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama, and for any of you new viewers, welcome. I just wanted to do a little unboxing. I've gotten some things in the mail. I was contacted by this company. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I think it might be Nudu, N-U-D-U, right here. And they contacted me and asked if they could send me some products. And it falls right along the lines of what my channel is all about. They must have seen videos about me aging gracefully and stuff, so it's skincare stuff. So I'm gonna open, oh, look, here it is. So yeah, it says Nudu, Natural Beauty is what it says, yeah. See, Natural Beauty. And what is supposed to be in here? I've gotten 2 packages from them. I didn't realize they were gonna keep sending me stuff, so that's nice. I can't wait to try this. What's in this one is an overnight radiance. Okay, let me see. Oh, this is the second package. My first package I haven't opened yet. So this is the second package. I just got this one about a week ago. And this is the packaging. It's Nudu Natural Beauty. It says Overnight Radiance Renew Cream with stem cells and licorice extract. It's a brightening treatment for all skin types. So yes, can't wait to try that. And it says, let me get my magnifying glass. Directions: for maximum benefit, apply every night to face, neck, and décolletage. Adjust amount to your skin's individual needs. Please do not unscrew the pump. This will let air in. It says avoid contact with eyes. Contains natural fragrance and tree nuts, coconut and shea. Okay, so there's all kinds of ingredients here, but they all look like natural ingredients. Water, glycerin, I don't know, shea butter. There's a bunch of seed oil, seed butter, all kinds of ingredients. So yeah, you can just look them up, Nudu, and it sounds like it's a new company getting into skincare. Awesome, right up my alley. So this is what the bottle looks like, what the container looks like. Ooh, let me see, I'm just gonna pump a little bit out just so I can see what it looks like. Come on, must be a lot of air in there. There we go, I just heard the air release. There we go. I like the feeling of it. It has a nice clean scent. Yeah, so I can't wait to start using this. Maybe what I can do is I can use the Retin-A, and then when the Retin-A soaks in, I can use this at night as well. It's a brightening serum lotion, which I need because of my dark circles and my melasma, the dark spots around my mouth. So that's awesome. Thank you, Nudu. And this is the very first package that I got from them. And let's see what's in there. Whew, all kinds of goodies in here. Wow. Whew, that just fell out. Okay, fall in love with your skin, it says. Nudu Natural Beauty. We would love to hear from you, it says. So I don't know what's in here. Let me see. There's a quick start guide for something that must be in here. Okay, so what came in here is a Nudu brochure, a Nudu quick start product card, a Nudu silk eye mask. This must be the eye mask. It says Dreaming Beauty. Yay! A Nudu Natural Beauty for normal skin with something, with cream, a konjac sponge. That was a free gift, retailing $15, and a Nudu 15 milliliter eye cream. Oh, there's some kind of sponge. That must be what that quick start thing was for. Okay, so let's see what all's in here. Here's the mask. Oh, this must be the sponge thing they're talking about. Natural Beauty, and it's a sponge. Let me see if I can read what it is. Oh, let me show you how it all came packaged. That's what, there's the products in there, and this was over here in the corner. This is probably an exfoliator. For skin that feels like purest silk, you'll love Nudu's cleansing and exfoliating sponge. The Cognac sponge is a simple yet astonishingly effective beauty secret from Asia that exfoliates and cleanses pores, suitable for sensitive skin, made from 100% organic vegetable fiber. Awesome. And for the directions, it says, on first use, soak your sponge in warm water until it is fully expanded and feels soft. Press between palms to dispel excess water. Massage wet sponge over your face, neck, and décolletage. Be gentle rather than vigorous on your skin. Rinse well and hang in a cool place to dry. Use every second or third day. Discard after 3 months. Oh, so it gets soft. It's really hard right now. Let me open it so you can see what it looks like. I hope it doesn't, I hope it's okay to open it, even though I'm not going to use it right now. Oh, yeah, it is hard. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's funny. So I guess it probably expands when it gets wet too. So that's for your face, neck, and décolletage area, which I need. Okay, so let's see what is in here. Let's try this one. This is a gentle moisturizer, anti-aging, normal, and it's for normal skin. So yes, man, this is awesome. They must have seen my videos and seen that this is what I've been researching and trying to find different products to help me stay looking young and to age gracefully and everything. So yeah, this is what the bottle looks like. And I love the fact that it's all natural. It's all natural products in here, or natural ingredients. Okay, so the next box says that it's a reviving toner. Heals and softens all types of skins. Awesome. Can't wait to try all this. When I try all this and I see what it does for me, I will let y'all know. This is this bottle. Everything smells good too. It's real a real subtle, soft scent, so it's not overpowering or anything. So that's awesome. The next thing that they sent me is a cream cleanser. Removes makeup and impurities, and this is for all skin types. Awesome. Cream cleanser. Yeah. See what this squeezes. Wow, look at my hand. When I put that other lotion, I can still, feels really soft. So I need something to gently remove my makeup, so this is awesome. Just want to put a little bit on just so I can smell it better. It smells good. It smells kind of like citrusy a little bit. Just very little hint of citrus or something like that, but it smells very clean. Awesome. Okay, so the last thing in here is an eye cream. Yay, an anti-aging eye cream for all skin types. That is awesome. And when they contacted me, they asked me what type of skin I have. I had to answer a few questions, and they said they wanted to send me some products to try out, and under no obligation, they said you don't have to do anything for it. You don't have to share it with your audience, but it was just they wanted me to try it. But I just think it's so sweet of them to have watched my videos and know that I'm into skincare right now and staying young as long as possible. And for them to offer me free product is awesome. So I wanted to mention them, and I will let you know once I try their product how much I like them and what my honest opinion is. But yeah, anti-aging for all skin type, and it's eye cream. Let's see what this one feels like. Okay. And it has a nice thick texture, and it's really soft. And it has pretty much, they all have the kind of same scent. Nice, clean, subtle scent. Wow. The back of my hand's going to be really soft, isn't it? So yes, awesome. All right, so those are a few of the unboxings I wanted to do with you. These from Nudu. It was so nice of them. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. What else? Let me put this over here. And I've gotten a couple of Beauty Box 5s that I think I will save for later to unbox with y'all. I'm not going to be getting Beauty Box 5s anymore, so I wanted to do the last 2 that I got and open them with y'all because I'm probably not going to be getting any more. I stopped the subscription. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I can't wait to try all the natural skincare by Nudu, and I can't wait to try my Retin-A cream and my Careprost and see my lashes just grow. Especially my eyebrows. I think I'm more interested in seeing if it works for my eyebrows because I have very, very sparse eyebrows. So yeah, alrighty guys, I think one of my next videos, like I keep saying, hopefully will be of me and my daughter doing an eye look together. And I also have a vlog that I've kind of been capturing moments here and there. So when I'm done putting that whole vlog together, I will upload that too. Alrighty. Alright, I think that's all I have to share with y'all for right now. So I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know if you like these type of videos, unboxings and stuff like that. And let me know if you end up ordering your Retin-A. Don't forget to click on the link down below for Reliable RX Pharmacy. It's great, great. Just from everything I've been hearing, there's no sense in paying $50 to $100 here in the US when you can get it for the exact same ingredients for $6. It's a no-brainer in my opinion. I don't think we need to jack up the prices here in the US for something that obviously doesn't cost that much to make. As a matter of fact, I think the YouTuber that I saw also ordered from here said that she did some research, and I think she said that that's where the US gets a lot of their Retin-A from, is from these overseas companies, and then they just jack up the prices. So hey, I'm gonna go to the source itself and pay $6 instead of $80 to $100 a tube. Alrighty guys, I love you so much. Don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye. Mwah.